Is this channel still about gardening?
Yes, I wanted to say this channel is still going to be a lot about gardening, but it's also about our coffee business. And so in this video, I'm going to combine a little of both and just show you what's still growing in the garden. So let's check it out.
So I was just playing around in the garden, and what I was doing, this is my little front garden here, I was putting that mum in the ground. It was in that pot. And if you put them in the ground in the winter after they die back, they will come back. This one came back in the spring, that one too. Now it's died back, but I'm thinking they're gonna do another round. I'm gonna go ahead and trim them down. But yeah, if you look through here and you see all this darkness, those are coffee grounds. I have an abundance I share with a fellow gardener, and I'm not concerned about it being overly acidic because it's used coffee grounds. And I mean, I guess I'll find out the hard way if I have to, but I've got some white irises that my friend gave me, and I've got some little cabbages in there that are pretty small, and some collard greens back here, and my beautiful rosemary back there. So anyway, all that to say, we did change our channel name. Figured we have a trademark on our coffee trailer, our coffee business, actually, because we have a trailer and a location now, and we're going to expand some more. So yeah, so I just figured change the name. Doesn't matter what the name is. If you're here, you're here. Here's some coffee grounds on top of cardboard, and this is where my basil was, and I cut it at the base, let the roots stay down, and then covered it up. Actually do have some Swiss chard here that's looking pretty cool. Not a whole lot though. Gingerbread is down. I think these are wild strawberries. I'm just out here just getting some chill. Uh-oh, something happened to that one. A few red cabbage, another pile of coffee grounds that I need to turn in. But you can see when I get a full bucket from work, I just dump it along the edge here. Haven't had any deer come this close. This is a collard green, some broccoli. They've had a few frosts, so they've taken a little beating here and there, but you know, it's just for fun, right? Here is some basil that I'm trying to save seed from, but it got rained on. But you don't need many, so as long as I get some. Yummy. Let's see. My kale. Kale will survive the whole winter. Not much. And then these are from a previous season that they didn't take off in time. I think they're cabbage. It looks like it's trying to do something, but I don't think it will. But it's beautiful anyway. So the rest of the garden is just under. I've brought some wood chips from across the street, threw some pumpkins out here. Rugs. Leaves are falling from this tree, so thanks, tree. Cardboard, ant pile, basil. I did save one, but these are just gonna go back to the earth. And then over here I've got my lazy compost because sometimes I don't feel like digging a hole, so I have this bucket, which I should probably cover with some leaves. It's looking a little flies around. So anyways, that's it. I hope y'all are having a great after Christmas, New Year's, and happy holidays, everybody. Happy growing.